Welcome to the Chongqing Sino-Swiss Industrial Park, a bold fusion of innovation and ambition, nestled right in the heart of the Liangjiang New Area. Strategically perched between rolling green parks and major expressways, this modern marvel boasts prime positioning and enviable accessibility. Yes, this is where glass, steel and global ambition meets nature. This remarkable arrangement of 6 Euro academic business buildings, thoughtfully designed, beautifully maintained, is already buzzing with international collaboration. Here, Swiss precision mingles with Chinese dynamism, a place where tech visionaries stroll past sculpted hedges and conference calls happen under the shade of a ginkgo tree. What was meant to be the shining continuation of this success story now sits unfinished. 2 monolithic towers, stark, raw, concrete skeletons, now loom like forgotten monuments to a plan paused mid-sentence. For nearly 2 years, they've stood there, exposed to sun, rain, and speculation. Officially, it's all part of a broader corporate realignment. Construction may resume, it might not. Still, hope endures, because when Phase 2 rises to meet its blueprint, the payoff, economically and socially, will be immense. The Sino-Swiss Tech Park remains a project of vision. Phase 1 thrives, Phase 2 awaits. And in between, we get a striking snapshot of a development paradox. The polished, the paused, and everything in between.